Ready to suffer through slow flight?
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, I'm going to we'll leave it at its altitude, about 3,000 feet.
3,000 work. I said let's slow it down to 80 miles an hour.
I'm going to go towards the smokestacks. That way I don't get too close to folding.
I'll give you a turn in a minute, but that'll work. We'll slow down to 80 on the 80 miles an hour and hold that, and your altitude is heading 80 miles an hour.
At 1,800 RPM will slow us down. It appears to be slightly low, so we'll let the pitch come down, then we'll descend, so we'll add power.
Okay. Gonna power for airspeed, pitch for altitude.
That's right. Altitude's constant, airspeed's constant.
Okay. How about a right turn to a heading of 270?
A little bit of enough draft, then need less power now. Right turn what?
270.
Alright. Turn left. Actually, let's, before I do that turn, let's reset this here.
Alright.
Right turn 270.
Uh-huh.
We won't use so steep of a bank.
Wise decision.
I'm climbing a little bit, so a little less power.
Or pitch. You know where you are?
What do you say?
Do you know where you are?
I know exactly where I am.
Where are you?
Right here. What'd you say?
Right here. Where are you exactly?
Well, I see that the tank farm's at the depot right there. If we need to get back home, we'll go towards there.
Robert
and the field is right over there.
Robert Dallas.
What'd you say?
Robert Dallas. Dallas, Georgia. See the town of Dallas right down there?
I just didn't know what the name of the town was.
Airport, Comanche 9505 Papa, 2,500, inbound landing, got Sierra.
It's 90505 Papa, County Tower, right down
2 o'clock low.
05
See him?
enter right down landing.
Nope, not yet.
He's going to cross the front of you in a little bit. He's kind of in the haze, down low, real low. Keep your turn going, you're fine. He's going to go past you. You're going to go well behind him.
Here comes 270, rolling out, a little left rudder and a little bit forward of pressure. There we go. Nice, still holding 80.
Okay. Left turn to 210.
Left turn 210, alright. Roll in, no more than about 15, I guess.
That'll work.
Add power. Actually, let's let some pitch go and that'll fix the climbing problem.
Yeah, that'll fix that, yep.
And then the airspeed comes back in check.
A little much back pressure there, that's okay. Forget you're heading at 210.
I will not. I thought you said we can come back around to 210, full 360.
Oh, that's okay, go for it. I was trying to keep going to close to Paulding County Airport.
Oh, well that's where I was just thinking because we usually do a full 360 and then go back to the heading.
Oh, okay.
That's what I thought you meant.
No, that's okay. But you got more practice turning, that's okay.
A lot less power. A little bit more power. And here's 210.
Good. Oh, heading, airspeed and altitude. How about 80 miles an hour on this heading with flaps 20?
Alright. We're in the white arc, so we're good. On 1,000, that's 10. There's the balloon. Nose down a little bit, add a little bit of power.
There's a lot more drag. Whole lot more drag, as a matter of fact. It's okay. It's been a while.
Alright. They got some power. And carb heat.
Pitch for altitude.
Yep.
The transition, the flaps come down.
Yes.
That will definitely mess you up.
Alright.
How about, okay, you got it? Good, good.
Let's take some more power out.
Yeah.
There we go.
Let's sneak back down to 3,000 feet.
Alright.
Let's sneak back down to 3,000 feet.
It is Fulton County, so I don't get lost.
I got it. I know we're over at Douglasville almost. That 20 is right over there. When I see the airport, you can't get lost. Look, that's look up your left shoulder. That's the airport.
Yeah. It's a clear day. Can't see that far in the summer.
4520 Dub County
Oh,
Tower.
kid.
If they're coming out of the city, like to hold about 3 to 4
They don't want to come down. We'll just take some more power out.
Go on and get 3,000. What'd you say? Go on and get 3,000.
Yeah, I'm running to get down there. Wouldn't come out. Need to
November 9505 Papa runway 26 clear land.
05 Papa is on the right downwind 26, clear to land.
Good deal of power. There you go, Hampton. Nice job. Right turn, 030.
We get this stabilized first. Got an updraft there.
It happens.
Push out. Wow, I can take a lot of power out for that one. Wow.
Flaps 30 and 70 miles an hour.
Alright. Nose down. That'll fix the altitude problem. And altitude's constant, 30 degrees and flap 70 miles an hour pitch.
Beautiful, beautiful. Hold what you got. Ball him in the center. Awesomeness.